So this is the train car in Auschwitz, Birkenau, where prisoners were transported just like animals. This train car, I think it was renovated, but the wood, I think, maybe still the same. I'm not sure. No, this is renovated, but this is only one train car still standing here in Auschwitz. So I want to show you. We are here in Auschwitz-Birkenau. You can see the step. They all were dropped off here and executed. Some of them executed, some of them went to work. And this is the famous gate where they were segregated.